Here I've got VIVO Y33s, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to settings then, and locate security. Here you will notice fingerprint, so just mark it, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern, provide it, and tap on next. Then draw it one more time to confirm, and now just personalize the notifications content. I will hide sensitive content only, tap on done then, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. As you can notice on the picture, the sensor is located at the front of your device, like actually on the side of your device, and you just need to press on the power button. So here is the sensor, tap on start inputting, agree with all the setup, and then place your fingerprint on the sensor like this. Just leave it up and put it on the sensor to add your fingerprint fully. Just a few more touches. And that's it. As you can see, your fingerprint has been added, and from now on you can unlock your device smoothly with this fingerprint, just like this, or obviously you can use this backup pattern. So just unlock it this way. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.